In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom metrics in Looker Studio. We'll walk through the essential setup so you're ready to track exactly what matters to you. Looker Studio is Google's free tool for turning your data into clear, shareable reports. Before you can think about custom metrics, like unique conversion rates or tailored performance indicators, you need a report and a connected data source. That's what we'll set up together. Start by opening your browser and heading to lookerstudio.google.com, then sign in with your Google account. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see any reports you've created before, along with easy options to start something new from a blank canvas or from a ready-made template. If you're new, templates are a great way to get inspired and move quickly. To explore those, click the template gallery at the top right. You'll see designs for common use cases. Think web analytics, marketing dashboards, and more. Find one that matches your goals and simply click it to begin. This will open your new report with the layout already in place, which helps you visualize what your final dashboard might look like. Once the report opens, you'll need data to bring it to life. You can connect to your existing data sources, such as analytics platforms, databases, or ad accounts, or import data from files like an Excel workbook or a Google Sheet. If you're importing a file, make sure your columns are clearly labeled and that numbers are formatted correctly. Clean data saves you time and confusion later, especially when you start defining custom metrics. With your data connected, you're ready to build. If you started from scratch, you can add charts and tables and configure their settings as you go. If you chose a template, you can begin assigning your data to each visual using the data pane on the right. This is where you map fields to dimensions and metrics, ensuring each chart displays the right information. Take a moment to verify that date fields, categories, and numerical fields look correct. This simple check helps avoid misinterpretation and keeps your metrics trustworthy. As you finalize the setup, remember that a well-connected, clean report is the foundation for meaningful custom metrics. Once everything is mapped, you're positioned to define the exact metrics that reflect your goals and tell a clear story. And there you go. With your report created, your template chosen, and your data connected, you have everything you need to move forward with custom metrics in Looker Studio.